Hello friends, welcome to Pratap Learning. Today we will discuss about the difference between interface and abstract class, and we will also discuss about new feature in interface. So first, start with difference between interface and abstract class up to Java 7. So interface cannot have constructor, but abstract class can have constructor. Interface cannot have instance variable. Abstract class can have instance variable. Interface has only static and final variables, but abstract class can have final, non-final, static and non-static variables. Interface has only abstract methods, but abstract class can have abstract methods and concrete methods. Interface can't provide the implementation of abstract class, but abstract class can provide the implementation of interface. Interface support multiple inheritance, but abstract class doesn't support multiple inheritance. Interface can be implemented using keyword implements. Abstract class can be extended using keyword extends. Now we will discuss journey of interface in different versions. Interface is not only acquired property of abstract method and constant variable. It has made considerable progress from where it starts. Java 8 and Java 9 has rolled out a ton of improvement in it for simplicity of programming. Let's have a look at its journey. It has only two properties up to Java 7: constant variables and abstract methods. So there is no scope of method implementation up to Java 7. But in Java 8, it's come with some new features, that is default method and static method. So now it has four things. First one is constant variable, second one is abstract method, third one is default method, fourth one is static methods. So now method can have implementation in interface from Java 8 onward by using default keyword before method. In Java 9, the concept of private function comes in picture. Now it has 6 things. First one is constant variable, second one abstract method, third one is default method, fourth one is static method, fifth one is private method, and sixth one private static method. So fifth one and sixth one private method concept come in Java 9. So these private methods are useful or accessible only within that interface. So this is the journey of interface up to Java 9. Now we will move forward. Now we will check what the difference come after Java 8 according to our previous discussion. So now you can check. Previously interface can have only abstract method, but now interface can have static methods, private methods, and abstract method, and also concrete methods with the help of default keyword. So this is it, folks, about interface and abstract class and new feature of interface. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and please give your valuable feedback in comment box and keep learning.